At Explore Park, we see more than 250,000 folks every year now, and that number's probably undercounted a little bit because there's no true mechanism to track our passive users, which are many that are enjoying whether they're fishing or boating. But we're able to see 250,000 outdoor enthusiasts every year.
So I've been here for about 2 years, so I am very excited that we have now brought Go Fest down here as an adventure outpost. USA Cycling happened this past year, which is a national championship event, so that was very awesome to see. And we had a lot of different Tavern Stage Concert Series that have grown, and recently we just had Parrot Heads on the Parkway. So we're offering a lot of unique and fun different events here.
I have lots of good memories out of the Explore Park, but one of my favorite memories of the park was shortly after I became county administrator, just being with the Board of Supervisors walking through Illuminights when we were doing the grand illumination, and just thinking, well, I had such a wonderful job. It was a beautiful evening. The board was very happy, and just to be able to do things like that out here, you know, when we're often in an environment that's more tense and more stressful and everybody's just enjoying themselves walking the trail.
And the Illuminights has been the crown jewel of Explore Park in terms of offering a regional special event that all citizens can participate in, no matter your age, mobility, any of those type of attributes. Everybody can come and enjoy the Christmas lights.
You know, there's something about that event that has become a family tradition for so many people in this community that while many events come and go, this is just something that is well executed and beautiful, so why not celebrate with your family with it?
What sticks out to me the most over probably the past 5 years at Explore Park was getting the opportunity to come out to the USA Cycling National Championship. We had 15,000 folks get to enjoy the park. We have lots of crowds with Illuminights. We see those all the time, but to see Explore Park in the daylight with 5,000 folks mountain biking, hiking, walking through, it was really kind of the vision that folks set out 10 years ago kind of come to fruition. And that was really, really a special moment to see the realization of a lot of hard work come forward.
To see a national level event be well executed in our park, and to see so many people come to our park who are new and from out of town, I mean, that's what it's all about. That is what tourism is all about. Outdoor recreation is one of the fastest growing tourism segments, and Explore Park is really putting Roanoke County on the map as far as that's concerned. We love having people come out to view this park. It's a beautiful park, but we also really are so pleased that our community gets to enjoy it year-round.